You won't believe what Money Multiplier app offers in 2026. Most people think finance apps are just for tracking expenses, but Money Multiplier is designed to actively help you grow your money through automated saving and smart financial insights. The app allows you to create multiple financial goals like an emergency fund, debt repayment, or vacation and automatically calculate safe contributions based on your income and spending. Small, regular transfers can accumulate quickly over time, turning a modest savings habit into real financial progress. Money Multiplier also provides predictive alerts and spending insights. It tracks your recurring bills and subscriptions and sends notifications if adjustments are needed to avoid overdrafts or extra fees. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your cash flow, showing exactly where your money is going and how close you are to hitting your goals. Security is solid with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds are insured, and customer support is available through chat or email for assistance. Limitations: Money Multiplier focuses on savings and money management. It doesn't provide full banking or investment services, but for anyone looking to automate saving, gain actionable insights, and improve their financial habits, it's a strong choice. So, is Money Multiplier app worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially for those who want a modern, automated, and intelligent way to manage and grow their money. Subscribe for more reviews to find the best tools for your finances.